Right here on the WIX editor, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then click on this plus button named Add Elements. On Add Element, you want to click on the menu and anchor, and then go to in-page navigation and then click on anchor, and then choose this one. You can just drag it or just click on it. And there you go, the anchor was there. You can actually rename the anchor right here and also drag it around either up and down as you like. So for example, I want to rename it as a shop on my anchor and then just click on enter. And after that, I can just drag it around to the bottom where my shop was located on my home page. So right here is my shop and I can just drop the anchor right here. And then I want to link this button right here on Explore Now to my anchor at the bottom of the page. And then to do it, you can just click on the specific button, or you can also do it on the specific text or specific image as you like. So just click on the specific element that you want to be linked to the anchor, and then click on this link icon right here. Here at the left side, you want to click on section or anchor. And then here on which page, you can actually choose many pages on your website. So it means that you can actually link it to the same page or another page. So for example, the first one, I want to link it on the same page, and I click on home page again. And then we're on the page, I can just click it and then scroll down until find this anchor named shop. Just click on it and then click on done. So when I click on preview right here, and then I click on explore now button, as you can see, it was automatically go to the anchor that I put right here before. And then to put it on another page, just go back to editor, and then here on the anchor, I can just click on it and then do a copy of it. Right now, I'm at my home page, and then I want to link it to my other page. For example, on FAQ, just click on FAQ page or any page that you want to be linked with. And then here, just click on anywhere and then click on paste, and the anchor is automatically be pasted. Just rename it as you like and then click on enter. And after that, go back to the home page. Right here at my home page, I want to make this phone number to be linked to the other page with the anchor. Just click on the specific text or specific element and then click again on the link. Right here, just click on section or anchor. On the which page, just click on it and then go to FAQ. Where on the page, just click on it and then click on the name of the anchor and then click on done. Again, just go to preview. As you can see, right now I'm at my home page. And then if I click on the phone number right here, it will automatically go to the FAQ page on the anchor. And don't forget to click on publish right here at the top right of your screen after you've done with all the changes, so everybody can see the changes that you've made. And that's how to add and use anchor links on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.